Yeah, g'day JVs, James Fawcett here, and on behalf of myself and my partner Mark Barrett, we're really excited to give you a quick update on our Phoenix 4 launch that's coming up. We're introducing a new upgrade, and this upgrade is a mid to high ticket offer, and basically it's like ranging from $497 to $997, and this is called our Leg Up package. Our Leg Up package is where your customers, when they secure their spot, to place their link within our buyer follow-up sequences and our other secret source traffic that we've got going on in the background that Mark and I developed specifically over the last week or so. We're just going to see people see a huge increase that have already jumped on to our Leg Up package through what we promoted last week. They're going to see a huge increase in spike in traffic over the next period for which they've purchased that for, right? So we got three packages. We have the Platinum package at $997 for 12 months, all right? This is probably our best value level. Then there's the Gold package for 6 months at $697. And then there's the 3-month package, which is $497. That's our silver one. All right, so obviously as you can tell, the 12-month package at $997 far outweighs in terms of value than what the gold or the silver one does. But obviously, we wanted to price it in a way that was beneficial for people to still get that availability and leg up because, we understand that not everyone has $997 straight away. They may have the $497, but they don't have that $997 there. So, and we want to make it obviously affordable and accessible. However, there are only 5 spots on each package available, and we have capped it, all right? Because for availability, because we want to make sure that we deliver these clicks to the people that purchase them, and we want to be able to, make sure that they get the leg up that they need, because obviously they've taken action, they've jumped on to purchase the leg up package, and we want to make sure we deliver it, right? And this is what all Phoenix is about. Phoenix 4 has injected, like I said, it's, previously in the last video, millions of dollars into the Warrior Plus marketplace. It's proven. Mark and I have perfected the process even more, going from the original $1,000 per day to $2,000 per day. And it just allows for, people to have automation. We know it's consistent. It brings reliable results day in and day out for us. And we can't wait for people. And this Leg Up traffic package even further solidifies, obviously how well this process actually works. So we want to make sure that, when customers come in, they have the complete set of tools, resources that they need. We've got the Unlimited Profits bundle at OTO1. We've got the Done For You package, which is just always helps people out all the time because we've got the Done For You package, the Done For You funnels. We've got automated sequences in there. We've got a whole guaranteed approval on a whole bunch of offers. And we've even got some high ticket offers that people want to promote in there too, right? So we have a whole suite. And then we have a Facebook group called the Inner Circle Facebook group where people can come in and ask questions and feel supported while implementing the process. And then we're bringing back the Little Black Book. Now, the Little Black Book obviously is pretty famous because everyone gets access to our traffic sources, what we use, what's currently working for us, how I continue to profit on solo ads, how Mark continues to profit on solo ads. And we've also got the unlimited traffic where, we all know what that one is, where you can, create your native campaigns and have, basically tap into, again, a buyer traffic, which is a less direct method to what our Leg Up package is. And then you have the reseller bundle. Now, our evergreen offers never cease to stop converting for people. We still have people coming through. We still got people like, Diego. We've still got, Branson comes in and hits out all the time. Jason Fulk comes in and hits out evergreen stuff. We've got a whole range of guys that come in and still continue to smash our offers, when they've got when they don't have to hit another 50% offer. And they get that increase commission rate because they've jumped on to the reseller rights package. All right. So like I said, guys, we've got a completely re-altered funnel. We're really excited about this one. It's over $600 per customer and, you know, up to $200 per sale on the leg up package. And we're really excited about this one. All right. And because I wanted to bring this update because I think it's imperative that Mark and I are trying to, you know, we want to bring info back into the market and we want quality info as well. All right, because that's how we all started. We all started from an information package. We didn't start from a push button app. We all started from obtaining information, absorbing it, and applying it and executing it in valuable steps. And that's how we all get started, right? We absorb information, we reflect, and we move forward. So guys, I'm looking forward to this one. I'll keep you updated on any updates. It's now 4 days until launch and we're really excited to get this. If you guys have got any questions, again, if you want any custom bonuses to help leverage your conversion rates with the Phoenix offer coming up on May 9th, please let me know. Can't wait to get started and I'll see you on May 9th. Cheers guys.